I picked up this Qifutan Car Phone Holder because I wanted something that could work in different spots in the car. And this one gives you three options: windshield, dashboard, or air vent. The setup is easy and the mount feels really sturdy once it's locked in place. The suction cup has a sticky gel base, so it grips well on smooth surfaces like the windshield or dash. You can adjust the arm and the angle, which makes it easy to position your phone exactly where you want it without blocking your view. The vent clip is solid too, and it has a stabilizer that keeps the mount from bouncing while you drive. The phone cradle opens wide enough to fit most smartphones, and the side grips hold the phone securely even on bumpy roads. I like that you can rotate it all the way around for vertical or horizontal viewing. Great for GPS, videos, or hands-free calls. And because the mount is universal, you don't have to worry about switching it out when you upgrade your phone. If you want a car mount that gives you multiple installation options and stays steady while you're driving, this one has been really practical to use.